Hi, this is Jahangir. Welcome to my channel. Completing sentence is one of the most important topics for S.S.C, H.S.C and degree level students as well as all types of jobs exam and university admission test. Dear viewer, today I am going to teach completing sentence. Today's lesson, completing sentence Part-1 so that. Complete the sentences 1. He is so dull that. 2. She was so sick that. 3. They are so poor that. 4. Water is so vital an element that. 5. The weather is so cold that. 6. The weather was so cold that. Now, how can we understand and how to complete? It will depend on its 1. Sentence structure, 2. Linking words, 3. Clause maker, and 4. Context. I am repeating, now, how can we understand and how to complete? It will depend on its 1. Sentence structure, 2. Linking words, 3. Clause maker, 4. Context. Which method we can follow? CLT method, CLT, first examples then rules, or traditional method, first rules then examples. In this lesson I am going to apply CLT approach, communicative language teaching, as a popular methods for learning English. 1. He is so dull that we can add he cannot understand anything. So completed sentence is 1. He is so dull that he cannot understand anything. 2. She was so sick that. We can add she could not walk. Therefore the completed sentence is she was so sick that she could not walk. Complete the sentence 3. They are so poor that. We can add they cannot send their children in school. Therefore, 3. They are so poor that they cannot send their children in school. Complete the sentence 4. Water is so vital an element that. We can add we cannot live without it. Therefore, 4. Water is so vital an element that we cannot live without it. If first clause is present tense then second clause will take cannot. If first clause is past tense then second clause will take could not. Again, watch. If first clause is present tense then second clause will take cannot. If first clause is past tense then second clause will take could not. See again these two examples. 5. The weather is so cold that we cannot go out. 6. The weather was so cold that we could not go out. Any questions? Please write in comment box. Thanks for active watching. Like, share and subscribe please.